Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to this beautiful rocket apartamento espresso machine. It comes to us like as a warranty. The customer complains the water pump is not activating when he trying to pull a shot. So I troubleshoot the machine, I find nothing, then I took off the panels, I look inside the machine, I try to wiggle everything around the water pump to see if anything happened. Nothing happened. Then I left the machine for like 2 hours to see and try everything, turn it off, turn it on, took off the water tank, put it back. Nothing wrong with the machine, so I just put it back together and wait, and still the machine is okay. So I don't know what happened, but I assume maybe if it's run out of water or the water tank wasn't pushed inside enough, so that could happen. But so far everything is well, so I'm going to test it again. Here is it. Let me just make espresso shot, and I like to test all the functions of the machine. So here we go. It's pulling a great espresso shot. In the time I put extra grind in there to put it under more pressure, so the pressure is great. Look at that espresso shot, thick crema. If you wait a little bit for it, you're gonna notice 3 layers of coffee. So, and let me test the hot water. The machine is refilling right away. Steaming great. So everything is functioning perfect. Where is it? It just refills. Let me just test that again. So everything in the machine perfect. Thank you for watching.